The BPS EdTech team proudly presents our first and third grade computer science students.
Yay! Give me a thumbs up! Yay!
Take me to your leader. Take me to your leader.
Oh, what's it saying?
I love
Take me to your leader.
love the USA.
Oh, I love it. Nice job.
You want a preview of what it's going to look like?
That's a perfect circle. Good job.
How did you do that? Can you please help us?
I'm Jenn Scheffer, BPS Digital Learning Coach, and thanks for watching.